Based on the iconic status, the top 3 camos is the first camo, ABC camo, and the color camo. But this camo we about to check out, it's up there.
I don't think they ready.
So last year, we had Bape's 30th anniversary. You know, the creation of the entire brand. Just recently this year, we had the 20th anniversary of Bape's color camo. Now, we have the 10-year anniversary of the legendary Bape City camo. Yeah, that's a lot of anniversary celebrations. Now for this particular anniversary collection, they went all out. City camo comes out, once every couple years? So they had to do it kind of big. Now, obviously I didn't cop everything.
I'm broke, man, I'm broke!
But definitely cop the highlights from this collection. And we're gonna start with the heavy hitter. So the Bape City camo, first dropping back in 2014, is basically Bape's first camo, but just in a black colorway. Later down the line, Bape added a white colorway, and they've been going back and forth with those colors. But for this particular anniversary collection, they decided to not include the white colorway. So somewhat similar to the 20th anniversary color camo shark hoodie, they changed up the material and colors of the shark face. Instead of the regular shark face colors, for this anniversary collection, we got this holographic foil fabric. Super clean. It really does take this shark hoodie to the next level. You know, they could have just went for a straight silver color, but they went the extra mile. The holographic color continues to the tiger print and to the Bape's Target logo on the wrist. For the WGM, they went for the silver color chenille. Yeah, the city camo's always been top tier. And to commemorate the 10-year anniversary, here is the new gray colorway. Yeah, not too bad. Pretty clean. I think it's a appropriate new colorway. You know, city camo is either black or white, so they decided to go down the middle with the gray. Also, there aren't very many gray colorway camos, so that's cool. Everything else is the same. Holographic shark face, silver color WGM chenille, holographic tiger print, and the holographic Bape Target logo. Yeah, a clean new colorway. You know, I actually prefer this new colorway than the white. White is clean too, but the white colorway just gets dirty too quick.
Oh my god!
Okay, the best part about the Bape City Camo Shark Hoodie is that glow-in-the-dark feature. But it's a bit too bright out right now, and I want to give y'all the best glow, so we'll have to wait until it gets dark. While we wait, here is the rest of the 10-year anniversary collection. So here we got the tees. We got a shark tee, the ape face tee, and the Busyworks tee. And all of them using the same materials like the shark hoodie. For the shark tee, we got the holographic eyes, zipper, and front half of the teeth with the city camo on the mouth. Ape face tee, which is my favorite tee in the collection, with the city camo ape face and the holographic Bape style logo. And the Busyworks tee with just the city camo. No holographic elements. You may want to skip this tee. No, I'm playing. The Busyworks tee is clean too. Well, there goes the tees. And of course, they do come in a white colorway. The ape face tee. Here's the shark tee. And here's the white Busyworks tee. Yeah, all of these tees were pretty clean. And the last item I copped in the collection, the City Camel pullover hoodie. Yeah, pretty straightforward. All over City Camel print with an embroidered Bape logo on the chest. You know, if you're not really into the shark hoodies, the pullover hoodie is a good route to go. And of course, it does come in the new colorway as well. Now for the last 3 items in the collection I didn't cop, the shark sweatpants and both crew necks, they pretty cool too. But personally, I don't look too good in sweatpants and crew necks, so...
Ugh. Brother, ugh.
Alright, finally nighttime in Japan. Let's check out these glows.
And here we go.
And there it is.
Dear God, it's beautiful.
Nice. Real strong glow. Kinda surprised how strong the glow is here. But then again, I was doing my thing in the sun, and the sun is one of the ways to charge up the glow, so... But yeah, there it is, guys. You know, in previous drops, the whole shark face would glow too, which was super clean. But I like how Bape thought outside the box this time. Gave the whole shark face a different kind of glow. A holographic glow in the daytime, and then the green glow which is always clean at nighttime. Well, there it is, guys. The 10-year anniversary Bape City Camel Shark Hoodie and the rest of the clean collection. Let me know in the comments what y'all guys think. Hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!